Welcome back to the channel. Brandon Davidson with Davidson Audio, where we specialize solely in any motorcycle audio solutions for the rider. And today we're going to be introducing a brand new series on both of our shop bikes here, the 2020 Indian Challenger and our beautiful 2019 Indian Chieftain. In this build series, we're going to be building both of these bikes to be identical twins. We're going to be doing custom front wheels with a rake kit on each bike. And then from there, we're going to be doing some custom paint and powder coat on both bikes. And then we're even going to go and do a complete Davidson audio package on both these bikes. And then we might even get into some rear end kits, different LED lighting, and anywhere else we can really make these bikes stand out. We're partnering with a couple of businesses that provide parts for these bikes. So you will see that in future videos with a different series that we're going to be doing, but I don't want to say anything yet. So please stay tuned. I really hope that you guys enjoy this build series as much as I know I'm going to enjoy doing both of these bikes. So all right, this bike is our 2019 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse, and obviously you can tell it's the white smoke. This bike has the 111 Thunderstroke engine in it, and the only thing we've done to this bike, we bought it used from a gentleman, already had the true dual Reinhardt exhaust, already had the LED headlight with the ape hanger bars. So from here we added the OEM passenger crash bars, and that's about it. We haven't really done anything else to this bike. It's about how we bought it. So this bike is going to be a big transformation for us. And our second bike is our 2020 Indian Challenger. This is also a dark horse and also in white smoke. So we purposely bought the Chieftain to match our Challenger. This one is the 108 Power Plus engine platform. The only thing we have done to this bike is new T-bars. We did a Freedom 2-in-1 exhaust with a factory stage 1 intake. Other than that, and obviously, sorry, the seat. But other than that, this bike is about as stock as it comes. So this bike will have a lot of transformation to it, but like I said, both of these bikes as they sit are twins, and we plan to build these bikes identically